it comes to increasing list engagement, it's important to create a plan based on the products and services you plan to promote. A good engagement strategy starts with your product funnel, which in turn helps you create your content. Here are some important things you should have. A product funnel. You probably already have various products and services, but you may not have designed a product funnel yet that helps you understand how everything is interconnected and works together. Understanding this can help you keep your different lists and promotions in order. A page for each product. Each page should tell your audience the benefits of purchasing the product. Remember, benefits over features. The focus of your sales pages should be on the audience, not on you. When writing your content, pretend you're the client and answer all the questions and concerns they might have on the page. A list for each product. Using your autoresponder, create the lists for each product or service that you will promote. At the minimum, you will want a general email list for people who visit the front page of your blog, and then 2 lists for each product you sell. Create 1 list for people who purchase the product and 1 list for people who just want more info about the product. Name them appropriately so that you know where to put the messages based on from where the audience joins your list. A product calendar. Knowing when each product is being launched for new upcoming products and or services will help you identify which lists you can include the announcements and information on. Plus, it will remind you to create new sales pages, lists, blog posts, and email marketing messages for each new product.